Good morning, everyone. So I am now preparing for the snow apocalypse. That's right, you heard it. The weatherman is currently forecasting 20 to 36 inches of snow over the next about day and a half, 2 days or so. They're talking about an inch per hour at its height. So I know some of you people that live in the northeast and northwest and stuff like that are probably scoffing at that, but it's definitely a lot for us. So my work has already called me and asked me if I can start doing some like Uber rides to work, if like getting people to and from their house if they can't get out. But this is what we're at right now. Pretty much nothing. So we're starting off like this, and we are going to go ahead and see how everything goes today. If this turns out to be a cool video, I'll go ahead and post it. If not, well, then I won't. But if the weather gets really bad, I might start kind of just driving around and doing some urban off-roading tonight. So also, one more thing, leave a message down in the comments, because I actually just got this new external media mod for the GoPro that I use, with the external little, I don't know, like mic cover, whatever the hell it's called. So let me know how the audio sounds, and if it's if like there's a lot of wind noise, or if you can hear more stuff, easier, better, whatnot. I don't know. Thumbs up, thumbs down on it. Let me know. So, all right, let's see how this storm pulls through and happens. There's the camper. It's finally starting to snow and finally starting to stick, so I guess just a quick update on Snow Apocalypse 2021, and we'll see if this goes anywhere. The next update on Snow Apocalypse 2021. It is currently, what time is it? About 7:30 at night, so not too bad. It's supposed to get even worse, supposed to keep going, so we'll see how much it goes. So we are driving around in the snow apocalypse of 2021, as the weathermen are calling it. Doesn't really look too terrible as of right now. They're doing a good job plowing the roads. You can see probably got about maybe a foot to foot and a half of snow, depending on the places, so not too bad. But I always like driving around at night, especially in the bad weather and the dark, just kind of, I don't know, see what's going on, see what's happening. So I call it urban off-roading, especially with the Jeep. Yeah, here, check it out. Lights on. Woohoo! I think the blizzard that they were talking about finally showed up. Check this out. Alrighty, Snow Apocalypse 2021 is finally upon us. I finally got into the Jeep. I finally got actually warmed up and kind of cleared the snow, most of the snow and the ice off. But yeah, it's still going. So one of my friends is stuck, and if you guys didn't know, I'm actually working in a hospital. I'm a nurse. And so we are on an emergency snow plan right now because we can't actually get enough people into the ER to be able to help out because we didn't have an emergency standing. So I'm going to go out, see if we can at least start maybe getting a few people. I guess we'll go from here and see how it is. They are trying to plow the roads as best they can, but it just keeps blowing right over. We've got maybe about, like I said, about a foot, 2 feet, depending on that. It's not that bad right there. The problem is the winds and the drifts. That's my buddy stuck up there, and I can't really quite get to her, so she's gonna have to come down to me. Like I said, right now my only goal is to just be able to try to get people and get them to the hospital where they need to be. I really don't care about trying to get people unstuck at this point. I just want to pick them up, essential personnel, and get them to the emergency department where we can use the staffing. So I think that's going to be the best way. So yeah. We're attempting to head back to the hospital, back to the emergency department, and either try to pick up somebody or try to get them, try to get somebody there. So I'm gonna go there and work out our coordination efforts because yeah, we're at critical manning right now. So all right. Okay, this is turning out to be pretty interesting. I'm back at the ER entrance here, and I just had to help somebody who I guess cut his leg open pretty bad. He was bleeding from his artery. So luckily I'm a nurse and I was there. So this day is getting more and more interesting. Now I'm gonna try to head out. I'm gonna try to go get one of the emergency providers because we only have one doctor right now and we need at least minimum 2. So I'm gonna see if I can go out and get her and bring her back to the hospital. All right, so fingers crossed. Wish me luck, guys.
Exit the traffic circle onto Converse Avenue, then turn left onto East 18th Street.
Alright, so if anyone sees this and says that I passed them and didn't help them, I am very, very sorry. I've passed a lot of people already and I have to continue to get the doctors and the nurses to the ER, so I'm sorry. I feel bad for not being able to stop and help people, but I am trying, so. Oh, this weather's just getting worse too. Alright, so this is actually my charger nurse's truck. He attempted to come down here and get the good doctor out, but unfortunately was not able to make it, so he's parked in the middle of the intersection. I believe the doctor I'm trying to pick up is up this hill, which I am not going to attempt. I think that's her car out there. Yeah, it's definitely getting worse. That's for sure. The Jeep's still doing pretty good though. Look at that. She's sexy. And you can hear my all my stuff going off here. Keep that warm air in. Oh man. So at this point, I don't know if it's just the wind blowing everything or if it's just, or if it's actually snowing. I can't tell, but it's starting to turn pretty interesting. Fun times, right? Yay! Okay, back in the Jeep. Back in the heap. Actually, you know, I can show you a cool picture of the front too. Is this mic working out okay? I hope so. But the, see, look. Snow apocalypse 2021. Woo! Oop, now it's lens is all dirty. Hold on. There you go. Can you see me more now? Look at that. Ah, snow apocalypse. All right, let's keep going, guys. Okay, so the snow is piling up quick enough that I've actually got to continue to keep carving a path, just going back and forth, so that I have a good shot at making it out of here. I hope the doctor hurries up, because the longer I stay here, the less chance I have of getting out, because yeah, it's literally just blowing into itself, so like, and covering up my tracks and like snowing me in, so I've got to kind of keep moving here. So oh boy, fun times. The doctor to the emergency department, the first one. Now I'm gonna go try to pick up one of the other techs that we have. He's up here. Update on that one dude that had the arterial bleed that I helped pull out of the truck. He is not doing too hot. Make sure I don't get stuck here. Yeah, he's not doing too hot. We're trying to get a vascular surgeon in because he's currently bleeding out. So, yeah, shit's real right now. It's legit. So we're trying to get doctors. We're trying to get nurses. Techs, EMTs. I know the fire department is out with their snowcats. Luckily, the Jeep here is one of the few things that can still get around right now, although I have to keep my momentum up. If I stop, I'm afraid I'll get stuck, because it's just getting thicker and thicker, and yeah, soon even I won't be able to get around, guys. So hopefully we can keep the ER running. This is legit. I gotta be like really careful because I'm not stopping at red lights. So, okay. Oh boy. Yeah, this is... Okay. Oh boy, this is really bad actually. Okay guys, I gotta put the camera down, I gotta drive. The next rescue is on his way right there, so trying to get as many people at least to the hospital as we can. It's getting fun. Yeah. There's my buddy Chris. What? Say hi, Chris. Hey. Nah, that'll work, but anyways. Yeah guys, it's just continuing to get even worse, man. This is I don't know if it's blowing or snowing, but either way, we'll continue to get people in. All right, just barely made it here, so whew, let's go. Just heading back to my place now. All right, change of plans. So I got done getting everybody to the hospital, but they do not have enough staff to continue. We're still below critical manning, so since I'm still one of the only people that can actually still get around, I am going to go ahead and grab my scrubs, put together a go bag here, and I'm gonna head over to the hospital, head over to the ER, and help out. Hopefully, turns out to be not much is going on, but you never know. But it's definitely getting, it's just continuing to snow. We're not going to, the night shift nurses, they've already left. They had to spend the night, and they're going to probably spend the night tonight. They've got some rooms already scheduled, or at least at the hospital. And then, so day shift's just kind of taking over, so I'm going to go ahead and head over there, change into my scrubs, and try to start taking care of some peeps in this this winter storm. So let's do it. Mr. Alex, what do you think about this, huh? And he's scared of it. What is up, guys? So I've now been on shift for about 14 hours now since I came in. I've been grabbing people. I've grabbed doctors, I've grabbed nurses, techs, pretty much anyone that I can. We're on emergency staffing right now. We've only got like a couple nurses on shift, including myself. And because of the critical manning, we're actually asked now to spend the night here. So I've got the Jeep behind me if I do need to go anywhere or get anything or pick anybody up. But we're probably just gonna hunker down here in the emergency department tonight in case anything happens. Probably gonna be working probably about 16-hour shifts and 8 on or 8 off, and then kind of alternate. The night shift that was just asleep today is now waking up and coming back on shift. So this should be pretty interesting. We got food and all that stuff like that, but it is it's definitely been an interesting day, you guys. But I will I don't know, continue to vlog as much as I can. I do have to be careful since I'm at a hospital. I gotta be careful not to show anything that's you know, not allowed. So, but I will continue to show off what we have here, guys. Everyone has been doing a fantastic job here in Cheyenne, doing the best they can, constantly clearing snow, helping out as much as they can. People coming in, so I work with a good group of people, you guys, and I just wanted to show that off. So thank you guys for your support, and we will continue on. All right, guys. So this is my I guess my home for the next 8 hours. We're gonna take 8-hour shifts to kind of rotate. I'm actually just sleeping in one of the hospital beds tonight. Gonna get a couple of these, and then we're gonna swap out with the other crew that's still here right now. But I could go home. I've got the only vehicle that is able to, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna stay here with everybody else, and then that way if something happens, we're on standby and ready. So. But I am tired. It's been a long day. I've been up since, like I said, about 5:30 this morning. I'm shuttling people around, getting people to and from work, doctors, nurses, whatnot. And then they didn't have enough people, so I decided to stay on, change my scrubs, and come help. So I just discharged my last patient. I am going to go ahead and get ready and go to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. Thanks. Good morning, everyone. It is 3:30 in the morning now. I got maybe about 5 hours of sleep, but I gotta start getting up. Getting ready, and heading back out on the floor. I don't think we have too many patients today, but yeah, we'll see how the day goes. Should be able to get home tonight or this afternoon, but not even changing to some like old patient scrubs here to go to sleep. So, but I got all my stuff right there. So, wow, I look like a mental patient with all this stuff on. Okay, alright, let's go and get ready for the morning, and we'll continue on, and we'll see what the day brings. so night one is done in the hospital. I'm gonna clean up the room here, and then we're gonna head back out to the floor. I know they had a code yellow last night. I heard that one called overhead, but I don't know what else has been going on or even what the roads look like or anything. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and get this day started, shall we? So, if you haven't noticed, there is abandoned cars everywhere. And yes, I am still on shift in my scrubs. I've just got my jacket on right now. And we've actually kind of reached a point where we're actually going to start getting people home. So that's what we're doing. We're trying to get them home, get people safe, because some of us have been at the hospital for literally almost about 40 hours now. So it's the next day if you guys haven't figured it out. They are currently out plowing, as you can see. Thank you guys. And yeah, a lot of people have gone off into ditches. It's not really, and there is a road here, as you can tell. Yeah, so, all right. I think I'm getting another call to try to pick some people up. I'll be back in un momento. Just got one person that's been working forever, got her home, and then just got back to the ER here. Picked up some more staff. Yeah, so this is kind of where we're at right now. You see the amount of snow, and see if I can get up over here real quick. Yeah, they're using snowmobiles to get around Cheyenne, but this is where we're at right now. So, all right. Luckily, I was able to discharge my last patient last night, get a couple hours sleep, as you guys saw in the little vlog there, and then started picking people up again this morning. So I'm gonna continue on. I'm gonna go back inside. I'm not gonna obviously film in the ER for you know, HIPAA and privacy reasons, but I will be back as soon as I can. I think I'm hopefully picking up my last person for the day. I've been taking home and picking up people all day. Been up since about 4 this morning, I think, is when you guys saw me get up. So waiting on the last one here, and then hopefully I'm thinking I may be able to go home at least for a little bit until tonight if anybody needs rides home. So roads are starting to get a little bit more clear, but unfortunately it is starting to snow again. And I don't know if you can see that there. And yeah, snow is decently deep, so oop, I don't want to die. So I'm gonna wait for homeboy, which I think I just see him now. We'll see, but yeah, okay. So let's get this on. And guys, I am so tired. I think I've been on shift now, or at least been semi-working for the last, I think I'm coming from like 36 hours now or something. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home between taking care of patients and then getting people home. Especially if you got a Jeep and a vehicle, it's able to get places. I kind of feel that if I can get people home, that I need to. My coworkers, the other nurses and doctors, they've been here for, you know, 36, some even 40 hours already. So they're tired. I feel like I need to get them home. So hopefully this will be my last one, and then I will update you guys when I get back to the hospital. Okay. Look at all that. Alright guys, finally I get to go home. It's been about 36 hours now. Yeah, 36 hours-ish. 36, 38 hours on shift now. Finally gonna get to go home for a little bit. I got my bags packed. I'm gonna head out, and then I may have to come back tomorrow. I don't know, but we'll see. Or tonight even to pick some stuff up. But I will get home. But I want to thank you guys for following along. I really appreciate you guys along on this video, and hopefully the weather will turn out better. But you guys stay safe out there, and I will talk to you later. Deuces.